Good evening, this is Jan. I'm in my kitchen having a glass of wine, Portuguese wine, which is nice. And I'm gonna make shrimp on skewers in the grill pan. Here I got 12 beautiful shrimps. They call them giant size. Well, I'd call them medium size, but they're perfectly okay. First thing I gotta prepare is the rub for the shrimps. So I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil extra virgin in this small bowl I got right here. Then, of course, lots of black pepper. Lemongrass for nice Thai flavors, Asian flavors, as well as ginger. Basil for the aromatic green herb flavor, and also some cilantro, otherwise known as coriander. And that's a rub. I think I put a little bit more of that olive oil in there. Yeah, something like this. And then I gotta stir it so that all the flavors come together. This is what the rub looks like. Next up is putting the shrimps on the skewers. I'm gonna put 4 in one skewer. The trick is to put the first one different than the other, so that they won't turn when you put them on the grill. Number 3 and 4 you put just like number 2. Something like this. Second skewer. So now the shrimps are on the skewers. I'm gonna brush these shrimps with the marinade. Then the other side, make sure you put an equal amount of rub on every part of the shrimp. So that everything tastes equally good. So these marinated shrimps I will transfer to the fridge, and I'll leave them there for about half an hour so that all the flavors will get into the shrimp. By the way, this is the wine I'm drinking from Portugal, from the Peninsula de Setúbal, which is around Lisbon. This is a big company. This is a basic wine. I like it. I mean, this is great with any kind of seafood. Like most Portuguese white wines are. Like every Portuguese white wine is. I like this. It's easy drinking, it's simple, yet quite complex. It has minerality, it has fruit, not too much. So basically it's like perfectly okay for me. Back to the food, well, to the sauce that is, because of course I want to have some sauce with my shrimps. So that will be samurai sauce, which is a blend of mayonnaise and sambal. I'm gonna use sambal ulek, spicy one. Gonna put like 2/3 of mayonnaise and 1/3 of sambal, which is quite more than what it should be. If you put half, you got the harakiri sauce, which I used in my harakiri burger video from before. Well, this is almost harakiri, so maybe a little bit of more of mayonnaise will do to make it a little bit more mild, or at least not too spicy. Wow, this looks nice, this looks beautiful. And I'm gonna put some thyme in there. For that herbaceous green spice herbal touch. So, there is my sauce. Here I got the 2 ingredients for a perfect simple summer salad, which I'm gonna make. These are celery chopped up, and of course cherry tomatoes, also chopped roughly. I'm gonna put these in a bowl, a small bowl. Salt, pepper, black pepper that is, of course, and very important, oregano, which goes very well with tomato. Then half a lime, of course. The tomato has much acidity by itself, but you can get more freshness from squeezing a lime over this salad. And that is basically your salad. Just stir it a little bit and it's ready. Just put your grill pan on hot fire. And this is hot enough. I'm gonna lower the heat. Gonna place the skewers. And this kind of, it should be kind of good. 1 to 1.5 minutes will do per side. And I can see them change color already. They're sizzling. That's nice, that sound of sizzling shrimp on the grill. They're at least halfway, well, more than halfway already. Kind of. 1 more minute. First shrimp, plain. Yeah, that grill flavor, the sweetness of the shrimp itself, together with these herbs, you know, I think that thyme makes it very beautiful. Then quite a lot of samurai sauce in there. Now that is funny sauce because of the mayonnaise, and spicy because of the sambal, which goes well with shrimp, of course. We all know this. And then got my wine. Beautiful combination. Not too much. This, well, some more. I love shrimps. Refreshing, and I'm quite surprised about the sweetness of these cherry tomatoes because they're usually very high in acidity, but these are quite sweet, I must say. So yeah, that is nice for a change. Back to the shrimps. These shrimps have sweetness as well. Of course, they're a little bit salty, briny, you know, because they come from the sea, they're seafood. They have lived in the ocean or the seas, Mediterranean, whatever, all their life, so they got some brininess, but they are sweet as well. They are complex in their own flavor. They got that balance between many flavors. That's what I like about shrimp. And yeah, this wine brings refreshment to the kind of spiciness of the dish when you use it, of course, with the samurai sauce. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one, and remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do. With or without the sauce, sometimes with the wine.